Good morning, Nana.
Mpacho, bibi aboko.
Any other woman, bibi aboko.
Na, is it we are Kerala na so Olympics?
Is it any club here?
Kerala for no contract. No short terms now with the man now umpe. Can you swa? Davio. Na Aruna
When your club here, man.
Omi dem come do call catch your stars because the last battle was on 3.
And I only meeting my.
Minim do bet my team you may have many Titi brothers because I the team ni be ma. And that's on me relegation.
Mate, do
right. Saint, for you as a security expert and a member of the FA Security and Safety Committee, the SC or Ghana football ni nyoma cost in the last 1 week, you know. Over describing the saying.
Make us say area na security here, a lot of people and taking it serious. Even Almighty America, until then 9/11 buying, they wouldn't have put in such structures over this year. Sana may expect to be okay and work company. Oh, my man, we take security very, very, very serious. Who just security? Who the free idea?
Wow. They say, and some no Obia training kwa GFA, several meetings with supporters, leadership, with CEOs near their day. But now the crucial thing is, Kotoko has the demands be to ja, of which Omo insists to say, if those demands are not met, Womu and Ghana League, you know, you have been in and out of this business, club licensing, security and safety. Mpacho, are those demands legitimate?
Yes, before I get call onto those demands now, I'm say EBSC and then that's where Abba and then for Kotoko has. But I think say in a yimu kind of say in kind in kind. And see, they still say at the moment security in some investigations also. Share how this easier that's how much about. And so normally be a man for book class as you know. Already know you consider in terms of involving the commanders and the various regions and also training police personnel in the football, business.
Wow. Now there's also this very thorny issue, controversial though. Asante Kotoko say, "Oh boss, this DCOP Lydia Donko, they don't want her in the investigation." Among person didn't know for Romo Apenkra. Mo fan is saying,
it's unfortunate. It's a statement we ever from Nana Apenkra. I know Nana very well. Na me share video no we say there were a lot of emotions attached. I think say Nana pass a comment you say security law is a one-sided of the but I think he's also doing same. He spoke out of probably pressure from the supporters. I think here over both sides of the coin. Now what the key decision and what one more. Asama Madam Lydia Dr. Kaino and yet Libya a bonnet. Between you and I, this was my stadium, a park. So how do you define even the parameters? Number 2, Asama Madam Kaino a based on situational a year for the commander no or work on at the man plus witnesses of Asante Kotoko security personnel any suspects almost statements are natural